Habang lumilipas ang araw, dito sa isinasagawang impeachment trial ay parang nalalaman na natin at nabibigyan linaw na at malinaw na ang tatahakin ng defense team ni Vice President Sara at ng prosecution team nila Luis Tro. Dahil ngayong araw nga ay ang witness ng prosecution team ni NBI Agent Calilong. Inamin niya mismo na hindi nila hawak ang direkta o orihinal na kopya ng press conference ni Vice President Sara. Ayon kay NBI Senior Agent John Mark Calilong, recording umano mula sa internet ang kanilang nakuha. Dito sa pagtatanong ni Senator Robin Padilla, dito napaamin si NBI Agent Calilong. Panoorin natin ang video na ito.
Nais ko lamang po magtanong sa ating saksi. Ginoong saksi, kanina po kasi habang nagkakaroon ng pagdinig, ako po'y laging iistorbo dahil tuwing may itatanong, mag-o-object, medyo magulo po eh. Pwede po bang sagutin po ninyo ako dahil noong pong February 5, ang sabi po dito ay insufficient po yung na hindi dapat makarating na sa preliminary investigation. Tama po ba? February 5 po yun?
May certification, sir. Yes po.
Opo. Tapos, nung February 14, naging sufficient na for conduct of preliminary investigation. Nasagot po ba yung 7 na sinabi dito na para, ang sinasabi po kasi dito nung February 5, merong 7 na kulang.
I believe so, sir. That's why we have received a certification, sir.
Ayun. Kasi po, parang narinig ko kanina, hindi po naibigay yung original copy ng sinagawang
Ayan na.
interview kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Yung original po, na kopya, kung sino po yung nag-record. Wala po kayong affidavit? Meron po ba kayong affidavit na nakuha nyo?
Yes, sir. Ako po yung ang inire-request po ng DOJ dyan is affidavit po nung nag-screen record, which is my affidavit, Your Honor.
Meron po siyang affidavit?
Ako, sir. Ako po yung nag-execute, sir. Kasi
Hindi po yung mismong tao?
Yes po. Ang hinihingi po kasi ni DOJ is kung sino yung nag-screen record through OBS, sir.
Hindi po yung mismong tao.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kayo lang po yung nag-affidavit.
Yes, Your Honor.
Pero meron po kayong pagkakataon ba na nakausap niyo yung tao at nagbigay siya ng affidavit?
May I clarify, Your Honor, if sinong tao yung tinutukoy?
Yung nag-record po.
Ako po yung
Siya
nag-record
na nga
through
yung
OBS, sir.
nag-record.
Hindi po. Yung mismong nag-record po kay Inday sa Vice President.
Yung original.
Nakausap niyo po ba? Yung raw file po. Kasi
Ayun.
napakahalaga po nun. Kasi doon po natin malalaman kung original ba o hindi.
The video itself, sir, is publicly available. That's why
Oh.
I performed the recording, sir.
Publicly available.
Pakisagot na lang po, mahal na saksi, kung nakuha niyo po ba yung original. Yung original, hindi po yung galing sa internet.
The original, no, sir.
Oh.
Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat po.
Huli.
Thank you, Senator.
Huli agad. Screen recording lang pala ang ginawa niya. Na kahit sino pwedeng gawin yun. At sa screen recording mo ba, expert ka na pala. At dito naman sa susunod na video na aking ipapakita, ay sinabi mismo ni Presiding Officer Cheese Escudero na parang nagiging frustrated na si Prosecutor Attorney Ligutan. Dahil nga sa paulit-ulit nitong objection ng objection, kahit wala pa naman tinatanong si Defense Attorney Narvasa. Ito ang video, panoorin natin.
Do you recall this document?
Yes, sir.
Yes. January 30, 2025 is a date earlier than February 10, 2025, correct?
Yes, sir.
Your Honor.
Ask and answer, Your Honor.
Prosecutor,
Wala pang tanong eh.
the witness being asked which
Your Honor, ask and
came
answer.
first. I mean, relevance, Your Honor. Relevance.
Counsel, If the witness knows and the counsel for respondent will be given the latitude to test the credibility, accuracy, and completeness of the testimony of the witness. But we note your continuing objection because you already sound frustrated, counsel, in regard to this line of questioning by the
I'm very
counsel for the
patient, Your Honor,
respondent.
please. I'm very patient.
The counsel for respondent may proceed. Witness may answer.
I'm very patient. Diba, parang halata mo nakabado yung attorney ng prosecution team dito sa pagtatanong sa kanilang witness. Na para bang ang witness ay walang kaalam-alam sa video na kanyang ginawa. Parang takot-takot, mabuko at mabuking ang prosecution team sa kanilang witness. At heto pa yung nakakahiya na naman kay Attorney Ligutan. Pinagsabihan tuloy ni Presiding Officer Jesus Escudero si Attorney Ligutan na huwag mag-lecture na akala may napakagaling. Heto, panoorin natin.
Now he is asking this witness to confirm that in that letter there are 7 grounds. As if
parang
this
pasayaw-sayaw,
witness uttered those words. The ground is misleading, definition. This counsel is assuming facts that have yet to be established through this witness, Your Honor, please.
Counsel, again, the witness is not a newbie. I think he can handle himself and would know how to answer if indeed he is familiar or not with what is being presented to him. And thus far, he has responded based on his knowledge of these documents. Chair will allow it. Witness may answer.
Sir,
Can you repeat the question, counsel?
you confirmed that there was a certification dated February 5, 2025. You likewise confirmed that in said certification,
Your Honor, compound question. Compound
there's
question.
no question.
Wait.
Kindly wait for the presiding officer to recognize you before answering.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
Much
Please,
obliged, Your Honor,
counsel
please.
for the prosecutors, please finish with your objection.
Thank you so much. Can I?
Yes,
Your
please
Honor,
proceed, counsel.
compound questions. The witness is now being confronted with 2 successive questions without allowing this witness to answer the first question. What makes a compound question?
No need to lecture, counsel. Counsel for respondent, please reform.
Your Honor, I had no question. I had no question yet.
Kindly proceed with your question.
Thank you, Your Honor.
No need to lecture, Ligutan. Nagmamagaling ka na naman. At heto pa ang video na panggisa ni Attorney Narvasa sa witness na ito na si NBI Agent Kalilong tungkol sa nangyari bago ang controversial na press conference ni Vice President Sara. Tinanong nga nito si Kalilong sa gitna ng cross-examination kung alam nito ang nangyari bago ang nasabing press conference. Ngunit hindi sigurado si Kalilong kung ano po talaga yung nangyari bago ang nasabing press conference. Kahit na inamin niya na isa siya sa mga nag-imbestiga ng nasabing insidente. Heto ang video, panoorin natin.
Sir, do you know who that is in the video that you identified?
Attorney Sulaika, as far as I remember, sir.
And Attorney Zulaika, as far as you remember, Attorney Zulaika is who in relation to the Vice President? You may answer not a yes or no question.
As far as I remember, she is the COS.
COS meaning Chief of Staff,
Chief of
right?
Staff.
And she is there in that video because she was cited in contempt by the House of Representatives, correct? If you are aware, you're the investigator.
Prior to the...
Sir, my question again.
The witness
Let
is
the
about to
witness answer.
answer.
Witness is in the process of answering.
Prior to the scene, I have no personal knowledge, but based on her statement during the video, I think it was mentioned.
So you didn't investigate the things that happened prior to the scene, correct? Sir, yes or no?
We have investigated, sir.
You didn't investigate.
Oh,
I did, sir.
argumentative.
That's why there's an October 18, sir.
So what happened before that?
Hindi alam.
If you investigated, what
I
happened?
say I don't have personal knowledge, sir.
Sir.
Because I'm not present during that time.
Ay,
Witness is not responsive. The question was, what happened prior to this video, this particular clip of the video? If you know, given that you investigated the incident, as you said.
As far as I remember, there is a hearing in the House of Representatives.
What committee, sir?
I can't remember the committee, sir.
What happened, sir?
No, ano? Di mo kaimik. Oh. Nag-imbestiga ka niya?
COS was cited in contempt, sir.
By who, sir?
I can't remember the
Ay.
exact, sir.
But you investigated. I withdraw, Your Honor.
Diba? Nag-imbestiga ka pero hindi mo alam kung sino-sino yung mga tao, yung mga napangyayari doon. Anong klaseng investigasyon yan? Diba? Ano ka? Umamin ka, ikaw ang isa sa mga nag-imbestiga tapos ngayon suddenly, nagka-amnesia ka? Hindi mo na maalala ang lahat. Kalilong. Ang galing. Day 3 pa lang tayo. May amnesia agad. Diba? Nag-imbestiga ka tapos hindi mo na maalala. So ano yan? Scripted lang ang mga sinasabi mo ngayon sa impeachment trial, Kalilong? Yun ang tanong ng taong bayan. Kaya ngayon, yung mga pagmumukha ng House Prosecution Team ay talagang lumbay na lumbay at problemadong problemado. Sigurado, itong mga katanungan na ito ay ito yung mga pilit iniiwasan ng prosecution team mula kay Senator Dante Marcoleta. Kaya nga pinakulong ninyo Kasi walang magtatanong ng mga malalalim na tanong na mahuhuli kayo sa inyong mga script. Kung ikaw ay isang expert, expert investigator, expert nga. Sabi mo, expert ka na. Alam mo na yun dapat nangyari before, noong press conference, and after. Ngayon, pag-iisipan ka ng taong bayan kung hindi mo maalala, kung wala kang maalala. Pag-iisipan ka ng taong bayan na kung totoo ba talagang nag-imbestiga ka? O baka scripted na naman ang iyong mga sinasabi bilang witness ng prosecution team. So habang tumatagal, lalong lumilinaw ang pagkalabo ng grounds for impeachment ni Vice President Sara. Sa tingin ko ay doon talaga papunta dahil yun naman talaga ang destino nito sa mga paratang na wala namang katotohanan at walang mga matitibay na ebidensya. Ano ang inyong opinion? I-share mo na ang video na ito. Mag-iwan ng comment at like sa ibaba at makita-kita ulit tayo sa susunod na video.